Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and hi. My name is Khairul Hasif from class 6 BME 3. This video I will explain about how the drone industry affect the Malaysian economy. Today, drones are used in many ways including delivery of small items, industrial site inspection, infrastructure monitoring, mapping, crop monitoring and emergency response. In modern use, the word drone refers to unmanned aerial vehicle or UAV. In other words, aircraft that don't require an onboard pilot to operate. For our purpose, technology in the drone sector will be broken down into two categories, which is drone that require a human operator to guide their mission and autonomous drone which do not have a pilot. The concept of drone may well date back to 1849 when Austria attacked Venice using unmanned balloons stuffed with explosives. Austrian force who attacked Venice at the time launched around 200 of those incendiary balloons over the city. As innovative as this event was in the field of military technology, the use of balloons does not really meet the current definition of drone, especially the military drones. One common feature of many modern commercial drones is the quadcopter configuration. Early development of this technology appeared in 1907. The next big step in drone technology occurred during the Vietnam War. This war saw the first widespread deployment and use of drones as dedicated reconnaissance UAV. After that case, the drone industry was growing until now. For the current issue, previously the Malaysian government was still thinking about whether the use of drones should be allowed or not in this country, and at that time, there were no law and regulation on the use of drones. Are drones allowed in Malaysia? According to CAAM, drones are allowed in Malaysia subject to CAAM regulation. In Malaysia, drones are classified into three categories, which are small unmanned aircraft system, drone with a maximum weight of 20 kg. After that, small unmanned surveillance aircraft, drone that weigh a maximum of 20 kg and are equipped with data acquisition device such as camera and microphone. Last, unmanned aircraft system more than 20 kg. All other drone weighing more than 20 kg. Regulation vary according to category. For example, the second category include standard camera drones such as the DJI Massive and Phantom. Before you fly the drone, you need to have a drone permit from Malaysian government. To people who break the rules, they will be penalized. If the person is an individual, they may be fined not more than 50,000 ringgit or imprisoned for not more than 3 years or both. If the person is a body corporate, they may be fined not more than 100,000 ringgit. Future analytical. First is government will opening new door with drone. Over the past decade, drones have evolved from the recreational toy they once were into autonomous robotic platform with a wealth of potential business application waiting to unearth. Combining the power of light and automation with digital technologies like artificial intelligence or machine learning, Internet of Things and 5G, drone could potentially perform a multitude of tasks traditionally undertaken by human, and do so in manner which is better, faster, cheaper and safer. Across a multitude of industries, experts are finding new ways to use drones to improve business outcome and reduce costs. Drones are expected to completely transform the agriculture industry. Imagine a fully autonomous system with drone regularly collecting data on crop health, pest and weed infestation, water sources and potential erosion risk. Second is facilitating synergy between industry players. While drone has grown far beyond basic remote control aircraft, the next step for complete industry transformation is government want to facilitate a synergy between industry stakeholders. Drone operators that require a high level of freedom to innovate also need to appreciate their roles in upholding the highest standard of safety for public and property. Regulators that are mainly concerned with public safety and national security also need to recognize their vital role in nurturing growth and innovation for the good of the nation. Malaysia is the great position to prosper with drone technology, as it has some of the world's best drone companies based out of the country. Drone will give many benefits to country. First is empowering the agriculture sector with drone tech. Malaysia has begun sowing the seed for drone agrotech. MDEC help farmers adopt smart farming solution by connecting them with technology companies and providing them with funding. For example, Fruit Farm Selangor Fruit Valley use the 3D mapping and data imaging function of drone to perform real-time soil and field analysis. This help farmers to identify which plot of land is the best for the planting, irrigating and fertilization, so that they can grow the healthiest crop. Drone equipped with near-infrared can detect pests and plant disease. This method is more efficient than the traditional way of assessing plant health, where farmers drove their tractor around the inspected crop conditions stock by stock. The other benefits are effective disaster management with drone tech. Drone can also deliver emergency supply to remote location and disaster area. Malaysia delivered medicine and food supply to flood victims in Kuala Langat, Selangor with drone in December 2021. As the flood displaced thousands from their homes and inundated road to medical facilities, drone help people to get much more resources in time. For economic part or relation in Malaysia, drone industry will create 100,000 jobs. The government is targeting to create 100,000 employment opportunities through the drone industry in Malaysia, worth 50 billion ringgit Malaysia by 2030. Mostly together with Malaysia Research Accelerator for Technology and Innovation, will spearhead the development of the local drone technology industry. It will give the big profit to Malaysia economy. For the conclusion, Malaysia on track to be a major player in global drone industry with development of Area 57. Malaysia is on track to become a major player in a global drone industry with the development of Area 57 research and development. Aerodyne stated that the development of Area 57 is necessary as part of the effort to drive new economic activity through the drone industry. That's all from me. I hope you guys enjoy with this video. Thanks for watching.